Hi guys, this is Joy again. Once again, you are welcome back again to Joy Kitchen. BCN. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you how I prepare this yam and catfish pepper soup. And if today is your first time of coming across this humble family, please subscribe so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And to all my returning subscribers, you guys are wonderful, amazing. I really appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Stay tuned. Let's get started. So these are the recipe I'm using. This is catfish. I'm using 2 large ones. So I'm using biscuit bone, but this one is totally optional. I just need the flavor from it. So this is 1 tuber of yam. Although I'm not going to be using everything. I don't really need too much yam. But the taste of this is just your choice. So this is what I'm going to be using. So this is the onions I'm going to be using. And also, I don't need too much onions because it will make it become thick when it's cold. So I need just half. This is a grounded spices. And this is a grounded crayfish. This is a Scotch bonnet pepper. 2 cube seasoning cube. This is lemon. This is a salt to taste. This is a scent leaf, but if you cannot have access to this, you can use any other thing you think is good for you. So guys, I will start with the yam. I will peel it, take it straight to the bowl of water so that it will not change color or get black. So for the size of the yam, it's just your choice. You can cut it big, just like what you are saying, or you can cut it a small size. Just your choice. So I will wash it and I will change the water. So for the second time, I will transfer straight to the pot that I'm going to use. I will add some salt. I will go ahead and add half cube of seasoning. But if I'm cooking just a normal white yam, I'm not adding any seasoning cube. So I will add some water. So it's going to be half done, 70% cooked. So the essence of doing this, I don't really want it to release that starch inside that pepper soup. So this fish I will cut into 4 parts. And this depends your choice also. If you want it more bigger, more smaller, just your choice. The essence of this lemon, guys, it will reduce the smell, and also it will help you to clean the fish thoroughly. I'll also go ahead and add some salt also. So this is just the 2 items I need to wash it from the beginning without adding water. Make sure every part of this fish is properly clean, just like what you are seeing. When I'm doing, guys, I do take my time. Sometimes when you open the heads of the fish, I don't really like how it looks like, so I do take my time to make sure I clean it. Once I am done, I will transfer to the bowl of water. So I just change the water. So I'm fully done with that. I'll go ahead and blend my crushed bonnet pepper and the onions together with some water. So this one, just how you desire it. It can be rough, blended, or well smooth. So this one is not too smooth, just. So can you see the yam? It's perfectly okay now. I'll take some water to rinse the blender and I'll add it to the same pot also. So this is a seasoning, and this is a crayfish. Seasoning cube, some salt. I'll add some water again. So if pepper soup is liquid, it's more better than there is no water on it. So I will just cover it for a while. So I'm transferring my catfish into it now, and I added that biscuit balls into it first before adding the catfish, but I didn't know that the camera didn't capture it. So if you taste and there is a need for salt, you add salt. So this fish have stayed on the fire for like 15 minutes. So at this point now, it's not perfectly okay. Can you see the yam? It's still very hard to cut. So it's not perfectly cooked. You cannot eat it like this. So I will not transfer everything straight to the same pot now. So I'm not using this tablespoon because because of the fish. I don't really want the fish to get broken when I'm using any other thing that is more bigger. So I'll cover it for 5 minutes more. 5 minutes later, I will stir it again. The aromas of this food, guys, oh my god, and the taste, super wonderful. So at this time, guys, I will take in my scent leaf. So immediately I put in my scent leaf. 1 minute, I'll cover it. Just 1 minute is perfectly okay. Can you see it? I'll off the gas, leave it on top of the gas. Guys, give it a try. You will love it. So thanks for watching. Help me to share the video. See you soon again in another satisfying video. Bye bye.